Hello everyone, myself Shruti. I will try to explain electrical admittance and admittance triangle. Before we will move on our topic, I want to tell you about impedance. Impedance is the effective resistance of an electric circuit or component to alternating current. It is the combination of resistance and reactance. Now we will move on our topic admittance. Admittance is a measure of how easily a circuit or device will allow a current to flow. It is also defined as reciprocal of impedance. It is a combination of conductance and susceptance. Basically, there are three units of admittance: mho, Siemens, or ohm inverse. Now, the formula of admittance is Y is equal to G minus plus JB, where Y is admittance and G is conductance, where B is equal to BL minus BC, where BL is inductive susceptance and BC is capacitive susceptance. Now we will move on the part of derivation. As we know that admittance is defined as reciprocal of impedance, therefore Y equal to 1 by Z. Y equal to 1 by R plus minus Jx. Now we have to rationalize it. For rationalizing, we will multiply and divide by R minus plus Jx. So we get Y equal to R minus plus Jx upon R square plus X square. But R square plus X square equal to Z square. Therefore, Y equal to R by Z square plus minus Jx upon Z square. That is Y equal to G minus plus GB. Similarly, in polar form, y equal to mod of y angle of phi, where mod of phi equal to under root of g square plus b square and phi equal to tan inverse of b by g, where y is admittance, g is equal to r by z square which is conductance, and b equal to x by z square which is susceptance. Uh, Now I want to explain the admittance triangle. Firstly, admittance triangle for RL circuit. In this, the horizontal component represent conductance and the vertical component represent inductive susceptance, and hypotenuse represent the admittance. Similarly, in admittance triangle for RC circuit, vertical component represent capacitive susceptance and horizontal component is conductance. Similarly, hypotenuse is admittance. As admittance triangle for RL circuit is in fourth quadrant and admittance triangle for RC circuit is in first quadrant. So I think I can conclude here, and thank you so much for hearing me till the end.